Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're just gonna do a quick recap on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and DOT in that order. I was gonna take away DOT and Matic, but I had a lot of people asking me not to. They love the Matic charts. There's not too many people doing Matic charts, and a Matic kind of goes hand in hand with Ethereum. Guys, if you guys don't know, you guys can check that out. Look up some information on Matic, but it is tied in with Ethereum. So I figure, you know what, we'll keep it. And Cardano, we're still looking for our more upside move, and we're going to go into that. And DOT, we hit 35 again, so we're going to check that out. But right now we're on Bitcoin chart, 4 hour. Guys, we hit our target. Literally, I mean, pretty much to the dollar, guys. I mean, look, here was our target. We drew this target up from top to bottom. Look, I took this from this bottom to this top. Okay, so I drew this line from here to here. Then I pulled it up and put it right here. And guys, don't you know, we hit our target. Boom. And I'm still looking now. Let's see how this. There is 7 minutes left until the daily candle closes, which is very important because then we're going to see if we get above here and get a daily candle close above here and keep going more to the upside. But I believe we are going to get, the way this is looking, guys, maybe a little pullback and then upside if we don't close above here. But eventually, we are going to, in my opinion, we are going to go higher up in this move on Bitcoin. So that's looking positive. Guys, I told you. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. I like Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I think if it does pull back, we'll look for a bounce off 51,500 area and then maybe go higher. Or let's see if we get a daily candle close to go higher. But either way, guys, I think we're going higher in Bitcoin. So I'm not too worried about it. Just like I said in yesterday's video when we were down here that we're going to go higher. Okay, so another. Hey, we're killing it, guys. We went up. Let's see, we were right here, I believe, when I did yesterday's video at 51. We were breaking out of this trend that I drew here, off of our W pattern here that I drew in our first chart. Right, boom, boom, W, and then we got our target, which was up here from the W pattern. We just met that target. And then we had this move coming out of the trend to make sure that we had this move confirmed, and we got the confirmation, we got the go, and everything's looking beautiful. So you couldn't trade any better than how we traded Bitcoin on my channel here so far. It's been nothing but perfect. So awesome. Even on the downtrend, uptrend, it doesn't matter. We're trading this perfect, guys. Much love to you guys. But Ethereum, I told you guys we're going to trade sideways. Let's see if the 39. We had a wick down here, but I said I don't want to see it. Let's see if we can hold above here and not get a candle close. Okay, it's still not the end of the world if it does happen, but it didn't happen, guys. We had all these wicks and all these candles still closed above 39 on the 4 hour chart, which is really bullish. But I told you in yesterday's video, I expect sideways movement here. That's what we got. We got sideways movement exactly as I predicted in yesterday's video. So that's what we're looking for. But I am looking for a little more upside, especially if Bitcoin goes a little higher and starts to break out a little bit stronger. I believe that Ethereum is just consolidating here, waiting for a bigger move. Let's see if we see anything on the hourly chart. There is a potential M pattern that could develop into a W pattern. So let's see if we can look at this here. Let's see. We got boom here for a possible M, but we need a 4 hour still candle to close under 39 to confirm that. If that does happen, then our target would be from here. Let's go from here to here and then pull it down here. Our target would be right around this 38 area. It's crazy how we get down there again, right? So around that area would be the target. Now, if this flips, guys, and what I mean by flips, this can also happen too, where we come down and we touch here, and then we come up here and we break this area, and that'll be a W pattern, which in that case, oh, I don't know why the whole chart just moved, but in that case, the target from there would be from here to here, which would bring us right back up to pretty much a little bit above the previous high that we had before. So yeah, so I would look for that area. Let's see, right around 40,038 area. So this could turn into a W and go down, or a M and go down. And so if you see the M pattern, look for the downside right around this area here, around the 38 area. And if it bounces, we get a bounce and it turns into a W, then we're going to look for a higher at around 40.38. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. If not, we'll see if something else develops. But that's kind of like what I'm looking for on Ethereum. So I think maybe they bring it down, double bounce it, and go, or you never know. We can get something where we just get that nice explosion candle. But we'll keep an eye on that because this is on the hour time frame. So let's see what happens when the daily closes in 2 minutes. Matic, we fell in my buy zone here, guys, for a possible bounce. We got the bounce. And I told you guys, Matic, we went on this run, so maybe a trickle to the downside. That's exactly what we got. We hit our target exactly. Then now we're trickled to the downside. We got the bounce off our area. Let's maybe get probably a little sideways action, and then maybe a little breakout. Let's see what Ethereum does, because if Ethereum breaks out, then I think it would be just a matter of time before Matic starts moving back to the upside. It's usually after on a delay, like, you'll see Ethereum break out, and then you'll see this delay like we got here, and then we had the W, and then we had the bounce, and then the break of the trend, and then we hit our target up here. So that everything's working out perfect here. Nothing's changed. Everything's still looking good. Cardano, yesterday's video, I talked about this. We came down. This is on the 4-hour chart. We came down. We got above here, just like I talked about, and the video I did yesterday morning. And then my later video I did in the night. I talked about I didn't like this, how it got rejected. We came back down and fell underneath this zone. Okay, and then I said, if we break this trend right here, we're probably going to come to the downside and touch my purple box, which I actually forgot to put a line there. But guys, it literally hit my perfect. Look at that. Right at my purple box, right at $2.80. Okay, that's where I have my box. We hit the box, we bounced. Now let's see if we can get a bounce. And what I would be looking for here on Cardano is maybe a W pattern from here to here, and then because we already got the bounce, or let me draw that up. I'm sorry, guys. I am not good at drawing on here. I don't know if some people have a better way of doing this, but so I would start from the top of this move right here, and I would draw this because we got a bounce here. That's one. This is called a double bottom pattern, okay? Or we like to call a W just to make it easy for some of you new traders. Then we got the bounce here, double bottom. Okay, now let's see if we can get this, and forget about these lines now. These don't mean nothing. These already broke down. This means nothing now, okay? So we'll get rid of this. All right, now let's see. Let's just make this nice and clear for you guys. Let's see if we get this W pattern right here. This would be very bullish, and with a target, a short-term target would be. Let's see here. Oh, wait, where's my trend? What am I doing? All right, right here. Boom. So from here to here, we would look for a target, and boom, and bang, and we would get around we would break or get around the previous high or break the previous high, right around $3.12, $3.11, around that area. So that's what I'd be looking at for Cardano, to see if we can break above here. Now, what I do want to see is us to get a 4-hour candle close back above 287 and keep this thing going to maybe get so we can create this W. Now, if we get the W pattern, okay, and it gets up here and it gets rejected and comes back down, this will create an M pattern, guys. If that happens, then we take from here to here and look for this down move to right around my other purple box down here, which I mean, this is just, it's, how it lines up here is perfect. Right around $2.64. So if we get rejected here, then I would look for a more downside, and if we do break this line, if the $2.80 does not hold up, then yes, I would be looking for this area anywhere from 267 to 264. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for Cardano. Dot, we nailed. I mean, guys, look at this, perfect. I mean, I drew this line perfect. Did we get it? I mean, to the cent. I mean, well, we got a new candle now, so the daily just opened up, so you can't see this high over here. But we had it twice. It got rejected twice. So let's see if a third time's a charm. We can hit this and go higher. Like I said in my video, guys, in all my videos with Dot, this is very, very strong resistance at $35. If we can break that and get a daily candle close above $35, guys, watch out for Dot, because it can explode. If that happens, Dot's a sleeper right now. And if that can get past there, boom. It's like I've been telling you guys about Solano, which I feel so bad, guys, because I've been telling you guys, that I've been holding Solano for weeks now, ever since it was like $28, and I haven't done any videos on it since it's been going up. And I feel really bad because last night I was looking at a breakout and I knew it was going to break out today, but I had to take care. I was with the family today, and I don't do anything on my phone because, if I'm going to do stuff right, I want to do stuff on my computer. And I was busy with the family, and I just couldn't I wanted to get that breakout to you guys because it was a nice trade if you were short-term trading, or if you were looking for a nice position to get in and go long on it. And it was my fault. I seen it getting ready. I had the pattern. I knew it was going to happen, but I couldn't get the content out to you guys. So I apologize. So I didn't make a video on Solano, and now it already broke out. Do I think it's going to go higher? Yes, but I think maybe a little sideways. It needs to slow down just a little bit here. Maybe get a little bit higher, but listen, long term, guys. I'm just FYI. I'm holding Solano long term because I really, really like that project. I'm also holding Cardano. I do have a little bit of Matic in my long term portfolio, but I like to trade Matic a lot because it's a great it's a great crypto to trade, to make a lot of nice profit off of. So I like to trade Cardano. I'm holding Ethereum long, some Bitcoin. Those are the things that I like to hold, in my long portfolio. But guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But let's see what happens here. We're still holding this long-term trend on Dot, which is nice. As long as we hold this trend, and the higher we go, the higher the trend will go. So if we get up in this trend, and it's still going to look good, but we can draw this trend too. Let's see, right here to here. Well, we came down, we wicked it, but it needs a close. So let's keep on this trend and keep getting higher, and that's what we would be looking for. Let's look at the 1 hour, see if we see anything, a little trade we can get into. No, just sideways, guys. I mean, it's not. We're getting hit on that 35. It wants to go higher. It's just there's, like I said, a lot of resistance there at that 35 level. So keep that in mind, guys. Everything's looking good. Let's see what we closed on. Oh man, we closed right underneath. Oops, what? Oh my god, I got the drawing tool on. Didn't want to do that. Okay, we closed right underneath my line here. So let's see if we can break it, because this is just a target line. This wasn't really any kind of major resistance here. So let's look at the daily just real quick on Bitcoin before I end this video. Let's see, what do we got here? What do we got? Let's go back. What do we got? This is not really okay. So maybe, what do we got here? No, here. 53, maybe a little bit there. But in the end, guys, I'm really thinking 55 to, let's see, was that 57? So 55 to 57 area is where I'd be looking for Bitcoin. That's what I'm going with. So let's see if we can get up there. Let's see if we can get a daily candle close above our target. But we did hit the target. I mean, we hit it perfect, guys. Perfect. I mean, look at this. But I do believe we are going to go higher. It looks like we are going to go higher. So yeah. So I would look in this range, anywhere from 57, pretty much 57. Let's see, where is? Okay, let's get a little box out here. Pretty much from 57 to 55 area, just give or take a couple bucks, and we'll do it like this, and that'll be where I'd be looking for maybe another pullback. Okay, so let's just see if we can break out here and get a little higher. Listen, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell, hit the all, okay? Because I know I say this in all my videos, but for some of you guys that are new, they shadow banned me in the past, and you can look at my channel and you won't see my video, and then you'll miss the video, and then you'll say, well, I didn't see that video? Even if you go to my videos, you won't see the video. It's called a shadow ban where you won't see it. It's like being ghosted. So your best option is hit the bell and hit the all. This way you always get my notifications, first of all. And second of all, you will always see my videos if you're on my channel. So it's very important to subscribe and to hit the bell and hit the all so you don't miss any of my videos. Because if you miss it, I don't want you guys missing it. I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. But right now, Bitcoin's looking bullish. So let's see if it pulls everything else up with it. Cardano's looking like it's giving a little bounce here right now. So let's see if we get a W there. Let's see if we can break dot at 35. Let's see Matic's getting our nice bounce off our purple box, just like we predicted in yesterday's video. Great buy zone. This is a great buy zone coming down off our first target. So let's see if that holds up. So everything's still looking good. I mean, there's nothing negative here, guys. Yeah, we had our pullback, but I talked about in yesterday's video, it looked bearish yesterday when we got rejected, but now we're getting this nice little W. So let's see if we can get above here and actually get a nice little breakout. What I do want to see right now is I do want to see this candle get above this last 4-hour candle and stay above there, and then maybe we can look for more upside. So keep an eye on that, guys. So listen, much love. I appreciate you. I'm going to put my link to my Twitter in the description so you guys can follow me on Twitter. And also, I'm also going to put, this is TradingView. So for some of you that are new, TradingView is free. Okay, TradingView is free. And I'll put a link to TradingView in there so you guys can mark all these lines down, draw what I draw up, and then you guys can have all this information for yourself. There is pop-ups when you do it for free. If you do decide to pay for it, you don't get the pop-ups and you get more indicators. So just keep that in mind. If you use my link, you get a $30 discount. I'm just doing it for you guys because a lot of people always would ask me, how are you getting these charts and stuff like that? So I just always want to put it in my videos so you guys can just do the same thing for me. I could care less if you use the link or do it for free or whatever you guys want to do. I just put it down there just so you guys have it and you guys can use all this information and benefit like I have. Okay, so listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and I think that's it for tonight. So you guys have a great night. I will do another video tomorrow, probably around 11 or 12 if I can. Probably around that time, and then I'll do another video later that night. So I'll do 2 videos tomorrow to keep you guys posted. Today I just couldn't get it done. So listen, much love to you guys, and peace out.